22nd. We are working on getting the video discovery from the OIC.
June 22nd. I don't see that in my records. I'll look for it again, but I didn't see that.
No one else is ready. Well, I don't know that. Take your time if you're looking to see if you have it. And Madam Clerk, can you make me co-host or host?
Yes. No problem. Then can you make me co?
Yep.
Thank you.
Yeah, it says cash.
Judge, are you still on the record for the previous case?
We are. He's just looking for his discovery.
On file statement. Let me check my junk. But I don't see anything. Yeah, unfortunately, I don't have it. I don't know if they got the wrong email address. I can supply them if they can send it directly to me.
Can you provide it on the record?
Absolutely. Can I put it in the chat or say it out loud?
You can give it to me in the chat. They're not on the chat though, but you can put it in the chat. But I want you to go ahead and they can hear it over so they can write it down.
Okay. It is now in the chat, and it's also Damien Cash, DAMIEN CASH at cashlawpllc.com, and that will be CASHLAWPLLC.com.
Did you get all that, Mr. Sawaki?
Yes, we did.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
I'll allow for a brief adjournment if you still want that, Attorney Cash.
Yeah, we can have just a brief adjournment. Yeah.
No,
he should be checking in separately.
And I do have it now. It looked like it just popped up, whatever you just sent. Yep. That came over.
Okay.
So just a brief adjournment. Yes.
well, the brief adjournment would be for what now?
Still trying to locate any video.
So you requested it, Attorney Cash, several
I requested
times?
video too. I requested all discovery. Yeah. I couldn't hear you. You said, does he have it or they're still searching for it?
We're in contact. We're trying to contact the OIC for it.
Gotcha. Okay.
So I like to say, I'll set an or I'll adjourn it, but I also want to still set an exam day.
Okay.
Because I don't want to keep adjourning out because the OIC isn't responding. And you can make a motion on the day of exam if you don't have it.
Okay. Can we, is it possible to adjourn? Can we just set the preliminary exam date for July 10th?
I have a 9 o'clock available.
That's perfect for me.
All right. And if you don't have discovery, then you know what to do.
I'll do.
Okay. Ms. Morgan, your exam has been set for July 10th at 9 a.m. in person at 36th District Court. Okay.
Do I have to be in person because the previous judge knows that I no longer live in Michigan? Is Zoom an option?
I think you need to consult with your attorney about that.
Okay, thank you.
Good talk. Thank you, Your Honor. I'll talk to you, Jamaica.
All right.
Okay.
You have a good day.
All right. Have a good day. Bye.
Thanks. Attorney Krause, good morning.
Good morning, Judge. I am here on,
Mr. Moore.
yes. I still don't have a report.
Okay. Any word from the Forensic Center, Madam Clerk?
Judge, I don't have any word. Let me see, the last thing that we have is for 5/25. He was scheduled at 9 a.m. So I don't think the report would be ready, Your Honor.
All right, let's do 30 days. Just keep coming back to see us, Attorney Krause.
I will.
So how about July 26th?
That works.
Okay, we'll do 9 o'clock. And if you show up at 8:30, that's fine.
Okay.
All right, have a good one.
Thanks, you too, Judge.
Thank you. Okay. Attorney Henderson. Good morning. Are you
Morning.
ready on your case? Are you waiting for your client?
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Are you waiting for your client? Or are you ready to have your case called?
I am ready to proceed without him.
Okay. And Attorney Walrat, well, before we go on the record, good morning. And who is your client?
Good morning. I have Aretha Calhoun, who I'm going to need a breakout room with, but I'm also covering for Carrie Martin. Go on that.
I'm sorry, for which defendant?
Henry Smith, Your Honor.
Okay, and he's here. All right. All right. So you need a breakout room with Calhoun. I don't see, oh, she's here. Do you want a breakout room with Smith too?
No, I believe Mr. Martin has been able to speak to him.
Okay. Ms. Calhoun, I'm putting you into a breakout room so you can speak to Attorney Walrat in private. Make sure you unmute your device and turn on your camera. Okay, Madam Clerk, you call Mr. Jeffrey Cox.
Yes, calling case number 230574311. The people of the state of Michigan versus Jeffrey Cox. The defendant is charged with count 1 home invasion, 3rd degree. Appearances for the record.
Edward Milwaukee, P54828, appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Attorney Sidney Henderson with NDS P84839, appearing on behalf of Mr. Cox. Currently, Mr. Cox is not present in the Zoom room. We would ask to waive his appearance for the purposes of the PCC, Your Honor.
I will waive his presence. Do you have discovery?
I do not have any discovery at this time, Your Honor.
Mr. Milwaukee?
Paper was sent June 22nd.
Are you able to send it again? I don't see a note in our filing system, and I didn't receive an email either.
Okay, we will resend that.
Thank you.
I forgot what I said.
Okay, you ready for an exam date?
Yes, Your Honor.
I have the 3rd available if you want that early of a date.
The 3rd works.
Okay.
So long as people are able to get the discovery to me by then, which shouldn't be a problem if they've previously sent it.
I think you sent it now. Mr. Sawaki, will you have discovery? Can you resend it in time for the exam for the 3rd?
We just resent the paper discovery.
Okay. All right, so how about 11 o'clock on the 3rd?
That works, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, anything else?
Nothing further for me.
Okay, you have the rest of your week.
Thank you as well.
Thank you. Okay. Attorney Vanek?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, how are you?
I am doing good. I do have discovery on my client, but I have not been able to get in contact with my client. I've contacted him at the contact information, the email, the phone number. He is on tether, I believe, and at this time I have no updated, besides the information that's on the appointment, I have no other updated information. So I don't know how to get in contact with my client. And I don't believe that he has checked in.
Excuse me, Your Honor. Excuse me, Judge. It's been brought to my attention. He's in the hallway. He's being brought in right now into the courtroom.
Okay, bring him in.
Okay, he's here, Judge.
Wonderful.
I've not had an opportunity to speak with him, Your Honor. So if I can get a phone number, I can contact him and perhaps speak with him.
Let's do it. Sir, we're on YouTube Live, so I don't want to give his phone number over YouTube.